Hi guys, happy Friday, happy after Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving, happy Pink Friday. It's over here in Paparazzi world. So I'm Dave. Let me introduce myself before my time runs out. My name is Daisy. I'm your independent paparazzi consultant. I'm getting ready to show you some $5 jewelry. Yes, all the accessories are only $5. Now, if you see an item that you like, just comment Daisy down there below, and I'll ship it to you. Now, for today only, Pink Friday, it's free shipping. No matter what you order, it's free shipping. So let's go ahead on and get started, all right? Okay, so the first item that I'm going to show you is a purple seed bead here. It has layers and layers of seed beads. This would be Daisy's 50. You have those cute matching earrings that go with it, and they're on a fish hook. Okay, I have two available of this one, two available of this item. All right. Okay, we have a beautiful, first of all, this is item 27, and you have those matching earrings. Okay, and this is a green and a brown wooden set. You have the green disc and the brown disc. All right, this is how it looks. Okay, and this would be Daisy's 27. Daisy's 27. All right, the next item is a purple, another purple wooden piece. You have those matching earrings there, layers of disc, and then you have the chunky balls, or chunky bubblegum purple beads. So gorgeous. All right, and this is Daisy's 34. Daisy's 34. Daisy's 34. All right, I also have it in brown. I have it in brown, and this would be Daisy's 93. 93, and this is the same way as the purple look. You have those brown beads there, and the chunky beads. This is simply gorgeous. I also paired it up with this brown bracelet here. And this is Daisy's 93. I'm sorry, Daisy's 93 for this necklace here, this wooden necklace. And this would be Daisy's 51. Daisy's 51 for this wooden stretchy band bracelet here. Bring it up close so you can see it. Okay, it's red, brown, and I believe that's like a cream color. Okay, and it's stretchy band. Have three available of those. I also have these acrylic earrings here. This is a one-shot deal on these. These are Daisy's 49. Daisy's 49. They are on posted. They are on a posted ear. They are posted earrings. Okay, one-shot deal on these. Daisy's 49. Alright, Daisy's 49 on those. Alright, we also have some stretchy band bracelets here, silver and white. These will be Daisy's 25. Daisy's 25. Stretchy band. This is a one-shot deal on these. One-shot deal. Alright. Now we also have Daisy's 58 for these. These is a turquoise or blue earrings here that goes with this necklace set here. You have the chunky bubblegum beads at the bottom. The disc or the beads are brown on the side. Okay, and this would be Daisy's 58. Daisy's 58. And these also come with matching earrings. All the necklaces come with matching earrings. Right, here is another blue and brown necklace set with the matching earrings, and they're on a fish hook. These would be Daisy's 10. Daisy's 10. Okay, I have two available of this one, two available. Right here is a silver bangle bracelet. It's a cuff bracelet. You have that hammered look. All right, and this will be Daisy's 88. Daisy's 88. Daisy's 88. Okay, and last but not least, here is a nice, cute, simple, long silver necklace with the matching earrings there. They're on a fish hook. Okay, and at the bottom is this beautiful charm bracelet. I mean, sorry, charm detail at the bottom. It's like a, I don't know what you call it, but they're stones, the yellow stones at the bottom. Okay, and it's a long piece. And it also has a 2-inch, I think that's a 2-inch or a 3-inch extender. Okay, and this would be Daisy's 28. Daisy's 28. Okay, all right, that is it for those items. Now, like I said, if you see an item that you like, just comment Daisy's and the item number down below, and it's yours for purchase. And today only, Black Friday or Pink Friday, we call it in the paparazzi world, shipping is free. Okay, what else can I tell you? If you are interested in becoming a paparazzi consultant, just click on the link or go to www.paparazziaccessories.com/44896. I would love to have you on my team, and I would love to see you be a paparazzi independent consultant, because your life and your lives, those around you, will change. All right, until next time. Also, don't forget to please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and like my channel, and spread the love. Tell your friends and family. All right, you all have a blessed rest of the day, rest of your Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, look at this. Trying to fix this, y'all. Sorry. You all have the enjoy the rest of your weekend, your Thanksgiving weekend. All right. Until next time. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.